car pop-up tutorial. Add your clip to Alightmotion and make a duplicate of it.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now, click on the plus button and add a shape layer as you wish. Combine both shape layer and car clip duplicate. Select the combined layer, go to border and shadow, and apply shadow as shown.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight?
Go to move and transform. Select size option and give 3 keyframes and adjust the middle keyframe.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the
Again, select the combined layer, go to Effects, and apply effects as shown.
body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.